Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where brightness is not working on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So here's the brightness slider. Ideally it should work, but if it doesn't work, then simply search for brightness in the Windows search bar and go to change the brightness level. You can also change it from here. If this doesn't work either, then search for device manager in the Windows search bar. Open the device manager. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first one and update drivers. Right click on the second one and update drivers once again. Okay, so this is one thing. And the next one is to right click on the start button. Select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. So this is how you can fix the issue of brightness not working on your Windows 11 computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.